Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a PayPal donation link for Twitch. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is head on over to paypal.com and make sure to sign in or create a new account. Once you've done that, under quick access there should be an option that will say request money. Click onto that option. And then on the right hand side it will say more ways to request money. It will say create an invoice. And now once you're on this side, on the right hand side, it'll say more ways to request money. From here, it will say create an invoice or create a personal profile. I've already got a personal profile, so on mine it says share your personal profile. But in your case, click on create a personal profile. And it should say something create paypal.me link. And then you can add a photo if you like. And then with your paypal.me, put in a name for your link. So for me, I've got Luke G27. And now once you've got your paypal.me link, we can customize this link. So I'll quickly show you what mine looks like. So this is my link here. But if I want to add a default amount for donation, so if I want to add $10, I'm going to do /10. And also you can put in the currency. So if I want to do USD, I can put in USD after that, then hit enter. And now you can share this link to your Twitch. So in order to add a donation link to Twitch, just go open up your Twitch channel, click about under your stream, click on toggle edit panels, click the plus icon to add a text or image panel, add a title like a donate, and then add an image or text and paste your paypal.me link in the link field. Then from there, just click submit.